Yeah. From all these words, is there any words that you cannot understand? I mean,
Um,
the Indonesians, the versions of it, the Indonesians. I mean, the translations. Is there any words that you cannot understand, or you already
I
know each
yeah
paragraph
already
meaning?
know all the words.
Already know all the
Yeah,
words. Okay,
there
that's
is
a really good one.
no strange vocabulary.
Mhm. Yeah, there's no such things, right? So,
Yeah.
and now I'd like to. It seems like you're having no problem in the section. So now I'd like to. Okay, where's my feet? Okay, so now I'd like to ask about others, like what sort of area that you're wanting to understand more, and I'm hoping that it could help you with that.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah. So what seems to be bothering you every time you speak in English? Hmm.
What?
Okay. What seems to be bothering you when you speak in English?
Wait, I don't understand your words.
Okay. So what seems to be bothering? It's apa yang mengganggu, or bothering means bothering itu
Oh,
seperti memberatkan atau mengganggu di saat belajar bahasa Inggris gitu. Bukan belajar bahasa Inggris ya, maksudnya di sesi
speaking,
apa di Inggris ini gitu. Ya, speaking or
speaking.
apa?
Um,
Speaking.
my difficulties are recall the vocabulary. Yeah, recall the
Hmm.
vocabulary and speak fluently.
No, speak
Yeah, there's
fluently.
always a
Okay.
pause moment when I speak to someone
Mm.
because I have to reload the
Mm.
vocabulary.
Vocabulary. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So it means like you having your difficulties and drawing all the vocabulary of the mind, right? I mean, oftenly for the for most people, it's a common problem to having such a thing. So that's why having a friends who are able to speak in English and practicing it, and to practice the English every day, it could help as well. So I'm hoping that by my presence here, the 3 day course that we are holding it today, it could leverage the English level for each of us. And all right, so I have located addressing the issue. It's vocab problem. It's like throwing out. Okay, so that's the first one. Is there any other problem? It seems like you're having a problem in pronouncing the words. Like you're just having a problem in pulling out the vocabularies, right? Apart
yeah.
from that, there's no other problem. Hmm.
The second problem
Okay.
is my
So
accent. It's too Japanese accent.
your accent, Japanese. No. Okay. So tell me about your accent. Wannabe. Okay. So do you like your accent in American, or do you like your accent in English or in UK British?
I like
What do you prefer, or do you
in
prefer in British? Sounds
I
like mine.
prefer to English accent.
Oh, it's a British accent, right?
British.
Yeah, that should be do. Okay,
Yeah,
British accents.
yeah,
Okay.
guide me, please.
So one thing about the British accent, it's there's lots of British accent, even in English, even in Britain is as well. In England, there
Yeah.
are Scottish, there are Ireland, and there's England, as you know
Mm,
about the common things there.
yeah.
And And about the British accent is something that I really like as well. So that's why I'm doing it now. Because every time I listen to British people talking, it's just like listening to an art, you know.
Yeah.
It feels like listening to an art. Okay, so that's why I like it. So for caps, and number two is the accent. Okay, so um, usually we are having a problem, right, in questioning questions. Have you ever find yourself in a trouble every time you trying to questioning questions, like asking someone? Have you ever find a problem like that in
Yeah.
questioning a problem? In
Yeah.
questioning questions?
Often.
Yeah, oftentimes. Okay, so if you want to ask about someone's personality, how do you create the words? Yeah, can you, maybe you want to asking about someone's personality, so how do you start the words? Can you show
Wow.
me?
About their characteristic.
Yeah,
About their
yeah, about their
personality.
personality. Mm.
Maybe I start with what is your hobby?
Uh,
Can
yeah.
can we
No,
start
okay. That's
with
one
the
way.
hobby? Yeah.
Mm.
Is it correct?
Yeah,
Or how?
but yeah, that's one way. But the the actual question is how do you ask about someone's personality, and this so the uh the answer is actually what kind and what sort of. And yeah, because yeah, this I should have start from that actually. So do you know about what kind and what sort of, right? What sort of personality, what kind of people. So that's the key. So if every time we trying to asking a questions to someone about their personality, and we
Yeah.
start from a what kind of personality, what kind of person he is, or what kind of person is he. So he is temperamented, emotional, yeah, silly or funny, loyal, lots of types in there. And I should have come with,
Yeah, yeah. So you ask
yeah, I should have
me not about to what is the question, but how
how to
how
asking.
should I ask to someone with various personality, right?
Mm. Yeah, so it just simple like you want to asking about someone's personality, and how do you start the questions words. So start from the what kind of and what sort of. Okay, so that's a very basic one. And the secondary is when people are okay. So you can start building questions about asking someone's personality.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, you can um you can tell me about friends of yours, for example, that you don't want. Maybe you don't need to tell me the name. Maybe you have a friend of a persons with generous heart. Yeah, maybe you have a friend's generous heart. Means like he's so generous. Means baik hati.
Yeah.
And yeah, you can tell me about that person.
About
About that person.
about
For
her.
example, like I have a friend. Yeah, I have
So
a friend.
do
Yeah.
you
Uh,
want to do you want me to describe her?
yeah, right.
Okay, describe her, yeah.
Yeah, describe. So bilangnya type of things. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
the the secondary is tell me about your environment, about the weather,
Environment.
the environment. Yeah,
The
the environment
weather.
in your place.
The
The
weather in
environment.
Surabaya today is so hot
Hmm. Okay.
and
So how many
windy.
degrees? Windy. Hmm.
Yeah. What else?
So okay. So tell me about the environment in your working place area.
The
The
weather
environment in your
already. And
no,
then what
environment.
else?
Environment.
Environment,
The environment.
like what?
Yeah, in your working place, in your working place. Yeah, the environment. The environment means the environment. Ya,
um,
kamu tahu arti environment kan?
gimana ya?
Arti ya environment itu
Uh,
ini apa sekitaran lokasi kamu tuh seperti suasananya tuh bagaimana?
hmm.
Kayak tempat kerjaan kamu.
Today my office is quiet.
Hmm.
Cukup
Oh ya,
sunyi. Quiet.
cukup lumayan.
Is
Okay.
it right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's right.
Okay, and
So,
then because of my boss is not getting angry today, so the nuance is so quiet. Is it right?
be quiet. Okay. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's one way.
And
Okay,
then
so tell me about the environment is there any sort of a place that you don't like, whether in your place you're living, no place you're living, the place around the place around your area that you don't like. I mean, di kamu atau di sekitar di daerah kamu apa yang nggak kamu suka? Tempat yang nggak kamu suka di
living
around the place.
around the place at
Yeah, around the place you live
home,
in. Yeah, tempat yang nggak kamu suka.
I don't like
Your neighborhood.
never heard that.
In your neighborhood.
In the left
Yeah.
side of my house, there is an empty land, and the neighbor often
Yes.
buang sampah. Itu apa?
Oh, okay, litter. All
Yeah,
right. So
they
they
buang
are doing.
sampah. Yeah, into that
Okay.
empty land. So that's enough to make pemandangan itu apa kurang enak dilihat.
Oh, oh yeah. Okay. So your neighbor used to littering around the place you live in, around your house, and it makes the view uncomfortable.
Yeah,
Uncomfortable
the view
to see, right?
is not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You.
Why that words cannot?
Yeah, it's okay. That's why we're doing the conversations there.
Yeah, and George, maybe the Zoom will be out there. Oh, 8 minutes again.
Yeah, it's okay. We can carry on WhatsApp.
Will we continue or?
Yeah, it's been an hour, right? Oh, it's been 30 minutes. Yeah, we should carry on. We should continue because I still need to locate about your problems. Yeah.
I will share the
Yeah.
next link. Yeah. After.
Yeah, I mean, we could do the WhatsApp call.
Yeah.
We do the WhatsApp call again.
8 minutes again. Okay, we can continue again.
8 minutes
Littering, yeah. I don't like my neighbor is littering that empty land. That makes the view. What is? How can I use the
Uncomfortable.
word?
Uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
uncomfortable to say. Yeah. And you could
That
also
makes them feel
saying it's really
uncomfortable.
ruined the view. Okay.
Yeah.
And my neighbor, they ruin the views as well. You can say that.
Yeah.
Ruin. Ruin means like menghancurkan, ruin.
Ruin.
Okay,
Ruin.
so yeah, ruin it.
Ruin
It's
it.
types like this.
Yeah.
Ruin.
So
Okay,
difficult.
there you go.
Ruin it. Yeah.
So that's what we're having.
Is it as
Yeah, so that's what we're having.
past? Past. Is it past? Yeah. Or passive?
Yeah, it's a past. It's a past tense. Ruin. And because it was happened in the past. And also usually about the ruin words, it has to be used the D on it because kayak apa ya? Kayak dia itu memang sudah sepaket. Jadi ada ruins. Jadi ada perbedaan di sini. Itu ruin itu hancur.
Yeah.
Dan ada juga ruins. Nah, ruins ini itu dia bongkahan. Jadi misalkan ada rumah hancur. Jadi misalkan ada rumah hancur, nanti disebut puing-puingnya itu ruins.
Oh,
The
this
house
as
ruins. Ruins.
jamak ya, multiple things. Yeah, ruins.
Multiple things. Yeah, ruins.
With S.
Ruins.
Right. Yeah.
And the ruins. There's a house was destroyed yesterday, and the ruins is scattered all around the place. Jadi ruins itu ya puing-puingnya. And ada lagi kalimat untuk puing-puing, cuman aku lupa. Ada lagi puing-puing itu. So yeah, that's really good one. And also ini sorry ya misalkan apa nggak terlalu gimana soalnya aku juga nih baru pertama kali.
It's okay.
And tapi di sini kan aku udah dapat. Tapi di sini kan aku udah dapat apa yang harus difokuskan ya.
Iya.
Itu pertama bagaimana caranya mengeluarkan vocabulary itu dari dalam pikiran kita.
Iya.
Okay, so to draw the vocabularies from our mind, itu diperlukan memang harus lebih banyak converse karena itu sangat banget membantu. Karena juga waktu pertama kali aku belajar bahasa Inggris juga, and also not having a native friends to talk with, that stumbling my way. Itu benar-benar tidak mempunyai temannya native, itu benar-benar stumbling. You know stumbling?
No. Stumbling.
Stumbling. Nah, itu stumbling my way.
But do not
itu
know
seperti
the meaning.
Stumbled by. Itu jadi stumbling itu seperti ini apa kayak menghalangi gitu.
Yeah.
Menghalangi, stumbling. So if you have friends who are native speakers, it could help you to to create the words. For example, so first thing that you always need to remember that you know lots of vocabulary. That's the first thing. So for example, you know the English for that, you know the English for this. So when the native speakers create the words, you instantly knows about how to create the sentence. Because, for example, you want to create noodles, you know about the powders, right? You know about the seasoning, but you don't know how to cook. Soon as you see the native speakers speak, you could automatically knows about how to create the noodles or to create the sentence rightfully, gitu. So Next, ini aku udah dapat ya, maksudnya cuma di vocab sama di accent doang kan ya?
Iya, correct.
Vocab sama accent. Oke, so besok 7 o'clock lagi.
Oke.
Aku nanti malam bakal siapin apa-apa saja yang bakalan mengattract vocab dari Janet gitu. So besok lebih deeper lagi. Yang penting sekarang sudah tahu
For
di
the
mana.
opening.
Kalau menurutku sih, ya for the opening. Jadi kalau menurutku Janet nggak punya problem ya untuk pronunciation itu nggak ada problem sama sekali. Pronunciation-nya pelafalan tuh bagus. Kayak tadi di yang pertama itu nggak ada problem sama sekali dalam pengucapan dan artikulasinya juga sangat jelas sekali. Jadi besok kita perdalam vocab. Jadi mengeluarkan. Jadi besok temanya itu bagaimana Janet mendescribe sesuatu gitu dengan vocab yang Janet punya. Jadi nanti bakalan ada questions yang bakalan you know yang bakalan apa ya yang bakalan mancing gitu untuk vocab-vocab itu untuk keluar.
Okay. That's a
Alright
good
then.
way.
Okay. Good way. Yeah, that's one way. Thanks so much. Okay, Janet. So
Okay.
tomorrow, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. again. All right.
Yeah.
Appreciate the time and the hours. And yeah, we'll go deeper tomorrow.
Okay. Bye
Okay. Thanks.
bye.
Have a good night.
Thank
Bye-bye, Jen.
you. Cheers.
Okay. Yeah, silly or funny, loyal, lots of types in there. And I should have come with
Yeah. So you asked
I should
me
have
not about what is the question, but how
how to ask.
should I ask to someone with various personality, right?
Yeah, so it just simple like you wanna asking about someone's personality and how do you start the questions words. So start from the what kind of and what sort of. Okay, so that is a very basic one. And the secondary is when people are okay. So you can start building questions about asking someone's personality.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, you can tell me about friends of yours, for example, that you don't want. Maybe you don't need to tell me the name. Maybe you have a friend, persons with generous heart. Yeah, maybe you have a friend's generous heart. Means like he's so generous. Means baik hati.
Yeah.
And yeah, you can tell me about that person.
About
that person.
about
For
her.
example, like I have a friend. Yeah,
So-
I have a friend. Yeah.
Do you want me to describe her?
Yeah, right.
Okay, describe her, yeah.
Yeah, describe. So, for example, yeah.
Call her as a mawar.
Mawar.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You didn't tell me that. Okay. Right, it's okay.
Mawar
Okay.
is generous woman. Mawar has an high empathy. She knows me well, such as she knows my expression well without words. So
Okay.
yeah, she can know my condition, my thought, my heart, my feelings without I
okay.
describe to her what
Mm.
what is happening.
Yeah. Hmm. Okay. That's a really good one.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. Good one. That's a very good one. Okay. So the reasons why I'm asking you that, because I wanting to know about the way you trying to pulling out the vocabularies out from your stash. You know what stash mean?
No.
Oke, jadi kenapa aku tanya tadi karena aku pengen tahu tentang bagaimana Janet mengeluarkan vocabulary dari dalam kantong atau stash gitu ya.
Oh,
Dan itu
yeah,
bagus.
yeah,
That's the first practice.
yeah.
That's really good one. That's like very common thing, right? I
And my
mean, when
vocabulary
you are
is so general, yeah.
no. It's fine. It's good. Your vocabulary, it's good because there's nothing like unless if you're describing something like politician or things like that, right? It's going to be pulling out different vocabularies. But if you don't know about any vocabularies that you don't know what's the English of that,
Yeah.
you could just tell me the Indonesian versions of it, and I can help you with that. So
Oh,
that's why
okay.
we having this call. This is not this is not exam.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm sorry if you don't know the English versions of that. So just let me know, please. So I'm really hoping that I could help you, and apart from that, you could help me as well in this time of being. So yeah. So I actually want to start this business. I'm going to start this. Probably you have a friends that you wanting to refer me. I'm gonna be so happy as well. So I'm gonna start this business as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm hoping that. So the secondary is okay. So the questions, the way I'm asking the questions because that's a very common thing, right? When you are having your English fellows, you have your English fellows, and you are sharing about things with the persons. So that's why you need that type of type of things as well. Type of things, right? Type of things,
No.
type of things. Okay. So type of things itu semacam hal semacam itu. Type of things, a type of
Type
things,
of things.
type of things, uh, type of things.
Type,
Yeah,
type means
type of thing,
ketik.
type of thing.
Types of things.
Yeah, yeah. So that's the English. I mean, one word could lead to another. Type could mean typing as well, mengetik. Type juga bisa jadi tipe. So
Oh,
type
yeah.
of things, THINGS, type of things itu artinya semacamnya. Type of things.
Type of things.
For example, yeah, type of things. Misalkan dirimu sedang ingin memberitahu tentang sesuatu,
Yeah.
dan dirimu sudah selesai menjelaskan hal-hal itu sebelumnya, Janet bisa langsung pakai kata type of things and type of things tadi.
It
For
sounds
example,
so cool, ya.
yeah, and that type of things. Yeah, misalkan nggak mau terlalu banyak kita menjabarkan, kita bisa langsung bilang and other type of things gitu, hal semacamnya atau hal-hal yang lainnya gitu.
This is the synonym of etc. Isn't it? Etc.
Yeah. Yeah. Anything else? Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. So do you know? So, for example, I have blue color, I have red color, and other type of things, and other type of things, dan tipe yang semacamnya gitu. Jadi ya bisa bilang kayak gitu. And also, kamu tahu the things kan? Maksudnya the things.
Hal-hal. Yeah.
Hal-hal, the things.
Yeah.
Seperti ya, the things that we see, the things that we see over here. Itu kamu sudah, ini Janet sudah paham kan? The things.
Yeah.
Arti dari the things. Okay, that's good. So yeah, karena orang kita, maksudnya tuh orang-orang bule-bule sering pakai kalimat the things, type of things, karena mereka nggak mau terlalu mereka nggak mau terlalu lama menjabarkan, jadi mereka bilangnya type of things. Okay, so
Okay.
the secondary, the secondary is, tell me about your environment, about the weather,
Environment.
the environment,
The weather.
in your place.
The
The
weather in
environment.
Surabaya today is so hot
Okay.
and
So how many
windy.
degrees? Windy.
Yeah. What else?
So okay. So tell me about the environment in your working place area.
The
The
weather
environment.
already.
No,
And then what
environment.
else? Environment.
The environment.
Like what?
Yeah, in your working place, in your working place. Yeah, the environment. The environment means the environment. Ya, kamu tahu arti environment kan?
Gimana ya?
Arti ya, environment itu ini apa, sekitaran lokasi kamu tuh